There are many components that make up a garden. There are flowers, vegetables, photosynthesis, and tools. The first component that I'm going to show you is the tree. Even though trees come in different shapes and sizes, they all have the same basic parts. Each part of the tree is important because it helps the tree grow and survive. You are all familiar with the trunk of the tree because it is what gives the tree shape and strength. The trunk has 4 layers of tissue that carry nutrients for the tree. The roots of the tree are also very important because they absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Each root of the tree has thousands of root hairs that help soak up the water and minerals from the soil.
Here are the flowers in my garden. This is a daffodil. My other flowers haven't bloomed yet, but I have sunflowers, daisies, roses, and orchids. Sunflowers are annual flowers, meaning they come up every year. They can grow to be 8 to 12 feet tall. Daisies are also annual flowers, and they are a mixture of 2 flowers. Many people enjoy eating their petals on their salads. Unlike sunflowers and daisies, roses can take up to 2 years until they have their first bloom. They have sharp prickles on the side, so be careful when you hold them. The last flower is the orchid. The orchid is the second largest family of flowers and 4 times the number of mammal species. That is a lot of orchids. Well, these are the flowers in my garden.
This is the vegetable part of our garden. Before we started growing vegetables here, we just added dirt. We went to the store to pick out some seeds and then dug holes in the dirt and planted them. We watered the seeds every day and finally some plants started sprouting up. A few weeks later, we had green beans and cucumbers growing in our garden. It took a lot of work, but we now have a lot of vegetables in our garden.
Plants to survive, they must go through the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert carbon dioxide into their food with the help of energy derived from the sun. The most essential components of this process include direct sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. When the sun hits the plant leaves, the chlorophyll captures the energy from the sun and then stores it. The roots soak up water from the rain and when she gets watered. Carbon dioxide enters the plant through the stem and the leaves. After it has these 3 components, it can go through the process of photosynthesis, and that's how plants feed themselves. They also let out oxygen when that process is done. In order to grow a garden, we need tools. There are 3 main types of tools. The first tool we are going to talk about is the shovel. The shovel is a tool used to dig holes in the dirt to plant flowers, trees, and vegetables. There are many different types and sizes. Next is the garden hoe. It is used to smash up those pesky clumps of dirt to make a beautiful garden. And lastly is the rake. A rake also comes in many different types and sizes and is used to get rid of bunches of leaves. Now that you know about the components that make up a beautiful garden, let's go out and explore the gardens and compare.